Hi guys, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. And today I want to do an honest review about Easy1Up. Easy1Up is a program where you can make money online, and a lot of people are promoting it still. And I want to do this video so you can decide for yourself if this is something you should also join yourself, or maybe it's something you should skip. And before we get started, if you're new to my channel, this channel is about how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. And I hope I can show you how you can also start your own online business and make a full-time income like I do at home. So if you want to learn, subscribe to my channel, give me a like if you find this video valuable, and also hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. So let's get started with this review. So I actually had wrote about Easy1Up back in October 2017. Basically, this program hasn't changed that much. The only thing that has changed is that they have included a new $2,000 package from the time I wrote it. I think the $2,000 package actually was added back in 2018. So these guys, the way Easy1Up is set up, it is very, very similar to two big companies that were shut down by the FTC in 2018. Specifically, is Aspire also, that's actually an Aspire's like their line of products. The company is called Digital Altitude. And Mob is another company that got shut down last year. These two were huge. It's the same kind of thing where you buy into these educational packages and also pay this licensing fee so you can promote those as well. And but what is wrong with that is that it is a cash gifting scheme, and it's basically a pyramid scheme in that sense. Whenever there is no retail sales and all the money is generated from members joining, then that is basically not a legitimate MLM. Okay. And Easy1Up is basically a MLM because you are able to earn from downlines. Okay, and I'm going to show you how it works. And believe me, this program is very attractive. Okay, you go on YouTube and you put a Easy1Up search, and you can see, people are making thousands of dollars, like 5 figures in a month, and all this very attractive. If you don't know better, yeah, you would probably want to join because, like, wow, 7,000 in 12 days. It's like, whoa. But guys, this is because it's a cash gifting scheme, and that's how they're able to generate such high income. And as I wrote, this is February 2018. So FTC was filed in January of 2018. So they're the first company that got sued. And this guy the owner had to shut it down. Then in June of 2018, the second one got shut down. And guys, I'm gonna link these two to the video description so you can kind of read the comments. People start writing down in these comments how much money that they lost, thousands and thousands of dollars. You can read this on your own. Okay. All right. So how this program actually works. There's actually 6 packages that you can add. So when I first reviewed this on my blog, it was just the 5 packages. And so they don't even update their own video. So that's kind of weird. And so the packages are $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. And then there's also an admin fee attached to each one of those. So at $25, you will pay $5 for the admin fee. They call it admin fee, but I mean you can't not pay it. You have to pay it in order for you to promote it. So it's and when you pay these amounts, the packages amount, they go directly. You go they get paid directly to the person that brought you into the system. So you're not even paying Easy1Up. You're not even paying to a company. You're paying to an individual that brought you into the system. That right there concerns me big time. I mean, when you buy a laptop, do you pay me? No, you pay Apple, right? You pay Apple or whoever I'm promoting, or Amazon. You pay Amazon, you bought it there. You don't pay me. You pay Amazon, and then Amazon pays me a percentage of the sale. And I don't have to buy a laptop to be able to promote it. I just promote it. I just sign up for free. I just sign up the program for free. And then, so if the other aspect of this program, if you buy in at the low level, at the start at 25, and you bring in somebody else and they buy at a higher level than you, like anything above elevation, then you do not earn that commission. And that rolls up to the next sponsor above you that has the that package or above to earn it. So that's how you would earn from your downline is that your downline don't have the higher packages that you may have, and that's how those commissions roll up to you. So this is kind of a not a very good program to join, in my opinion. It's really up to you what you want to do. If you want to actually want to learn how to do an affiliate business that is legitimate and follow the right path for using affiliate marketing as your way to make money online, it is definitely a legitimate business model, but you have to do it in the right way. And the way I've learned it is at a place called Wealthy Affiliate. If you go to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, you can learn on this platform. They have the training to teach you how to build your blog. Like, this is an actual service, okay? This is an actual training platform. And yes, I'm promoting because that's where I started at, and it actually worked, okay? This blog here is from that training. I'm the case study of the training there. And I have learned how to use keywords. I learned how to use get my posts ranked on Google. That's how I get a lot of the traffic is from search engines. You can learn how to do that, so I get a lot of free traffic. And this is how you should be promoting. This is how you properly promote things. And you could partner up with a bunch of different products or companies that you want. Here's the platform itself. I'm going to show you the training here. So the training here has 5 levels, and it teaches you how to choose a niche, how to set up your website, how to use tools. So they don't just give you lessons, guys. They will give you tools. So like under websites here, you'll get all these tools to help you with your blog and help get your blog ranking on ranking on search engines, and get free traffic. And you get to use this keyword research tool that is very, very important in this process. So this is a platform where this is also where it has a lot of help too. If you get stuck, you can get a lot of help, not just from the community. There's tons of people in here learning as well. Just so you know, so I just want to talk about the affiliate program here that they have. If you want to promote a course like this, so this is a platform that you can promote, but you don't have to buy this platform to promote, because you can actually join Wealthy Affiliate for free and also earn commissions. So the commissions that you can earn are half of what a premium could earn. And a premium is I mean, you need premium to learn. So if you sign up with a free membership, you get the first level free. All right. And then when you get after the first level, if you want to continue, then you can upgrade to premium so you can unlock the rest of the training. And it actually opens up the entire platform for you because your free account is that free. So it's going to be limited. That's with any other platform that you join. So you have a live website on the internet after going through this first level. So it's very high value for your free account. All right. And you're going to have help on the platform. You're going to get to use tools on the platform with your free account. So it's not like nothing that you get. You actually get to build something that you can put online from your free account. And you can work on your, like let's say you already know how to do websites, then you just continue working on it with your free account. And you could promote it at that same time and earn with your free account. But if you don't know how to build blogs and want the rest of the training and unlock the rest of the platform, then you upgrade to premium. So that's up to you what you want to do. I promote Wealthy Affiliate because they have made such an impact on my life with my blog. They taught me how to do it properly. I had tried blogging before, like years ago, like in 2011, 2012, and it went nowhere because I didn't know how to drive traffic. But now, because I learned from their platform, from their lessons, and their lessons are a bunch of video training from the owner himself. Oh, there's actually two owners, but there's one of the owners does all the training videos. And I've actually met them because I have become, so they have taught me so well that I had become a super affiliate on that platform. And so I was able to meet them because I get to win a Vegas trip. They fly all the super affiliates to Vegas every year so that they can talk about how they can improve the platform for the members. So not there's not many of us. There's not like 14 of us were at the super affiliate conference in Vegas this past January 2019. And there's not a lot of us because a lot of people choose their own niche. That's what this course is about. You choose your own niche. So there's people does a health niche. They do photography websites. A lot of people do Amazon affiliate sites on different types of products. And so there's tons of people in here that are learning and striving for the same thing. And that's what's kind of fun about it too, is that you get to network with so many people in here. And so I hope you want to join Wealthy Affiliate through me so I can coach you when you join through workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. I do coach you personally. And no, you don't pay me directly. I coach for free on the platform. So if you want to learn and make money online legitimately, this is the way to go, guys. This is how you're going to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing. And I hope I see you on the inside. If you have any questions for me, please put them in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day.